Today I'm out here at the Superstition Mountains. Apparently these mountains are super haunted. There's been tons of paranormal investigations here. Also tons of UFO sightings on top of these mountains. We're going to look at some hieroglyphics. There's also another trail that takes you to an abandoned gold mine, which I'll tell you some more about later. But for now, we're just getting started. In the 1800s, there was a treasure hunter named Jacob Walt, aka the Dutchman. Apparently, he found a huge gold mine somewhere in this mountain, and he's never told anybody where it is. So, hundreds of treasure hunters come through here searching for it, but they've never been able to find it. So, if this video gets 50 likes, I'll come back here and we can go through some of the tunnels and caves that they use trying to get to this gold mine. They're all abandoned now, except for tourists. And on this mountain, there's two trails. I'm on the hieroglyphic trail. So this trail will take you to just a rocky area with a bunch of hieroglyphics on it. There's usually a waterfall too, but it's been kind of dry. And the other one is the abandoned gold mine trail, and it's about 12 miles total, and it takes you to all the caves and tunnels. So if you guys want to see that, 50 likes on this video, we'll go there and explore the abandoned caves.
What's left? The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And
alright, we made it to the end of the hike. There's no water up here really, like I thought there was gonna be, but I do see this cave up here. It's just a little like man-made one, I think. This is a little cave that I found. It's kind of creepy actually. I was gonna go in there, but not anymore. It's crazy. So we made it to the end of this hike. Bunch of hieroglyphics on the walls over here. A bunch of them down there as well. Well, you guys will take a look at them. There's not any water here. I thought there was going to be. It's just too dry right now.
through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wasteland.
So those were all the pictures on the rocks that I could find. I can't imagine how long it took them to draw all that. And it's kind of crazy how long that's been there for. Also, you couldn't see it with the GoPro, but on the top of the mountain there was a huge boulder, and it was balancing on top of a bunch of little rocks on the edge of the mountain. So I took the drone up, got some pretty cool shots. So here's that.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.